Hey everyone, welcome back to Spiral, your trusted guide to the world of digital monitoring and online safety. Today, we are diving into Hoverwatch, a truly one of a kind spy app that works primarily through screenshots. Yes, you heard that right. Let's get into it. But before we begin, here's a quick disclaimer. You must not use monitoring apps illegally. These tools are meant for the legal monitoring of your loved ones, especially your children, and only after informing them and obtaining their consent. Use responsibility and with ethics. Now, let's begin. Before we explore the features, let's look at how to install Hoverwatch and get it running. It's really simple. Just so you know, Hoverwatch works on Android phones, Windows PCs, and MacBooks. But there is no iPhone support at the moment. So if the person you want to monitor is using iOS, Hoverwatch won't work. To install Hoverwatch, go to the official Hoverwatch website and click on Sign Up Free. Enter your email and password, accept the terms, and your account is created. Choose your preferred plan or start with the 3-day free trial to test it out. On your dashboard, you will find the app download link. Use that link on the target phone to install the Hoverwatch app. Open the app on the target device, choose the purpose like my kid's phone or employee device, and select whether you want to hide the app icon. Accept the legal terms, select the activities you want to monitor, and grant all necessary permissions like location access, usage data, contacts, and so on. That's it. The device is now connected and under your Hoverwatch radar. Now let's talk about how to use Hoverwatch. Hoverwatch is not your average spy app. Instead of giving raw data, it captures frequent screenshots of the target phone or computer screen, giving you a visual insight into what they are doing. Let's break down its features one by one. First, camera access. Hoverwatch can remotely activate the front camera of the target phone and snap photos, helping you check who is using the device. Second, call recording. It automatically records phone calls with clear audio from both ends. The recordings are uploaded to your Hoverwatch account immediately so you can listen later and know exactly who your child is talking to. Third, SIM change alert. If your child swaps SIM cards secretly, possibly to hide conversations, you will get an instant alert about it. Fourth, location tracking. Hoverwatch offers live GPS tracking with a full timeline of all previously visited locations. Just hit reload for the most recent location updates. However, Hoverwatch does not support geofencing. If you need that feature, you can check out my dedicated video by clicking the I button above. Next, social media monitoring. In today's world, keeping tabs on your child's social media usage is more important than ever. Thankfully, Hoverwatch helps by capturing screenshots from apps like Instagram, including Feed, DMs, and Explore, WhatsApp, Snapchat Discover, Telegram, and others. With these screenshots, you will have a full visual timeline of the social activity, all without rooting the phone. Hoverwatch also alerts you when a new SMS is received. Once it's opened, the content is captured via screenshot and uploaded to your account. It also captures every web page visited, even if it's a shady or adult site, ensuring you know what your child is searching or consuming online. You also get access to calendar events, the full contact list, and even deleted contacts. Everything is tracked visually through screenshots, so nothing is missed. If you want more frequent updates, you can change the location update intervals, adjust screenshot capture frequency, upgrade call recording quality, or even stop or delete the device monitoring, all from your Hoverwatch dashboard. No technical skills needed. Hoverwatch comes with a 3-day free trial, so you can try it risk-free. If you are happy with it, here are the paid plans. The personal plan costs $24.95 per month and supports one device. The professional plan costs $49.95 per month and supports up to 5 devices. The business plan costs $149.95 per month and supports up to 25 devices. So, is Hoverwatch worth it? If you are a parent looking for discreet, screenshot-based and easy-to-use monitoring, Hoverwatch is a solid choice. It might not have every fancy feature like geofencing or app blocking, but what it does very well. With call recording, camera access, and visual monitoring via screenshots, it gives you a powerful way to ensure your child's digital safety legally and responsibly. To sum up, if you are short on time and need a quick, stealthy solution, Hoverwatch is the one to go for. Don't forget to use the 3-day free trial before committing to a paid plan. That's it for today's review. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon so you never miss an update. Click the link in the description to try Hoverwatch free for 3 days. I'll see you in the next one.